So now we're going to look at other types of equations. These types of equations are often, well, they're not ones that you're used to seeing. You've seen linear, you've seen quadratic. You haven't seen some of the ones you're going to be seeing. So higher powers, higher order powers, or higher degree powers, you could be encountering rational, radical functions and whatnot. So we're going to look at several examples solving other types of equations. So let's take a look at our first set of examples. So here's our first example. For this type of polynomial function or polynomial equation, we need to identify if we can factorize it. And immediately I note that both terms individually contain the value x. So I factor out an x, and that leaves me with x squared minus 25 equaling 0. So conveniently, since it's already in factored form, I can state that x, or one of the values of x, is equal to 0. But I also know that x squared minus 25 could also equal 0. Well, now this takes us back to the very beginning of this presentation, where we can use the square root principle. So I'm going to add 25 to both sides and get x squared equaling 25, and use my square root procedure, and I get my result that x is going to equal plus or minus 5. So my three results are x equals -5, x equals 0, and x equals 5.